Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Jio network on mobile. First, let's get that SIM card in. You will want to locate the SIM tray on your device, usually on the side. Gently use the SIM ejector tool, often found in your phone's box, to pop it open. Carefully place your new Jio SIM into the tray, ensuring it sits correctly. Then, securely slide the tray back into your phone. Now your phone is ready for the next step, activation. Once the SIM is in, it's time to activate it. From your registered alternate mobile number, dial 1977, which is the Jio activation helpline. Be prepared to provide your new 10-digit Jio mobile number along with some identification details, such as the last 4 digits of your Aadhaar card or your date of birth. You will typically receive an SMS confirming your activation request. Your Jio services should become fully active within a few hours, usually less than 24 hours. Sometimes, your phone might need a little help finding the network. Head over to your phone's main settings menu, then look for Mobile Networks or SIM and Network Settings. Inside there, you'll find access point names, often abbreviated as APN. Make sure JioNet is selected. If you don't see it, you might need to create a new APN. For the name and APN field, simply type JioNet in lowercase, then save it. This ensures your phone knows how to connect. Now that everything should be set up, let's verify. Look for the Jio Network Signal Strength Indicator, usually on the top right of your phone's screen. It should show good bars. Next, try making a quick test call to a friend or family member to ensure voice services are active. Then, open your web browser or a social media app to confirm that your internet data is working correctly. If you're still facing issues, a simple restart of your mobile device can often resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.